Okay, here's the logo we will try to engrave. First of all, we need to calculate the x-axis width, which based on diameter. The diameter is 9.35. We're going to use smallest number 9 multiplied by 3.1415, which is pi number. So in order for picture not to overlap on our side, we're going to make size even smaller, 28 millimeters. So go to the size 28. Okay, then resize it, reposition it. First we'll try same settings I used for my text engraving. That would be like this. 270 because I'm using x-axis, not y. If you position your rotary device in y-axis, that would be 0. Solid pass. Okay. And to start engraving, we go to laser, rotary mark. Make sure that this number is the same as your spacing, line spacing. Here's my parameter settings. As I said, x-axis, and my part diameter. Make sure it's precise. Okay, and we're ready to engrave. Let me show you a trick I using to properly align a small piece on a rotary device. I draw a straight line, then I positioned in the middle of the screen. So we have two parts, the actual engraving and a straight line. Okay, in order to align, first I want to select actual part, press F1. Okay, that does look pretty good. Okay, and now I'm selecting the straight line I showed you before, F1, and I want it to be as precise in the middle as possible, something like that. And that's it. Okay, first let's align it again using, okay, everything looks good, and hit mark. Okay, it didn't look very well. Let's change stuff. Let's change those parameters to this one. Okay, I changed for second pass single line with interruption. Let's see if it's going to fix area which did not get engraved on a solid line. Okay, that seems to be a huge improvement. Selecting the single line of interruption did the trick. So let's do cleanup. I'm going to change the hatching settings to my cleaning pass. And now let's do the cleaning. Okay, cleaning seems to me did the trick. Let's do the last part of experiment and make our engraving dark. Okay, and fire in a hole. Okay, that does look good. Let me throw it into ultrasonic cleaner. Okay, I think it is safe to say that I'm quite pleased with results. Detailization is great. It's very crisp, very sharp. Yeah, I think I finally figure out how to engrave vector graphics on a small bullet shells. Thank you for watching, see you next time.